everything in this world starts with a dream. Everything starts with a dream. So cerebellum is also a dream of most of the people whom you saw today. You met Dr. Gobind, you met Dr. Sparsh. You could not meet Dr. Vivek because he's taking another class somewhere. You could meet Praveen now on the screen, and then the entire team working. So everything starts with a dream. And then this person, he said, "Sir, we have recorded lectures in cerebellum. But is it solving the problem?" The question was, to an extent, yes. You can get the best team to record things for you. But what you can't do is, you can't see that the students complete the course. So Dr. Praveen decided कि चलो अब मैं सबसे बात करूंगा, and I will ask everybody to come live and see that the course is completed. All right. And everything that starts in the beginning, there are discussions on it, but he was very sure that this is going to be huge. And I believe of whatever we have done till now in last 1 year, we are almost going to complete 11 months or 1 year. This is one of the best things I personally feel we have done. Number one, it allows us to be closer to you. Number two, it allows us to do what we were known for, teach you live. Number three, it tells us where we can improve, because this is the only way we can get a genuine feedback. If you stop asking for feedbacks, you are dead. Your career is over. So you have to have that feedback. Jo bhi ho, we are all ready to learn forever.